In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth zoom-through text animation in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, open the Effects panel and go to Titles. From here, drag a Text plus title onto the timeline, placing it underneath your video clip. Next, disable the video layer so you can focus on editing the text. Select the Text Plus layer and in the inspector, customize the text however you like. Change the font, size, or style to fit your project. Once that's done, turn your video layer back on. Select your video clip, then in the inspector, expand Composite Mode and set it to darken. This makes the video visible only inside the text. Now it's time to animate the zoom. Select the Text Plus layer and in the inspector, enable keyframes for both zoom and position. Move your playhead forward a few seconds on the timeline, then increase the zoom value and adjust the position until the video fully fills the frame. When you play it back, you'll see the video smoothly zoom through the text, creating a clean and engaging transition. And that's how to build a zoom-through text animation in DaVinci Resolve.